It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 8th of September. I'm Michael Groff. It was one for the record books with the hottest Labor Day weekend we've ever had here in Phoenix. And if you thought we were hot, in Woodland Hills in LA County, they hit 121 degrees on Sunday, and a number of heat records were smashed all through the western states. The good news is the weather pattern is changing, and in a big way, and we'll start to feel that as we go through the day today, and especially by tomorrow. Let's dive in and talk about it. First, yesterday in the valley, 109 degrees the afternoon high, 85 was the morning low, the normal high 102, the normal low 80. Outside now, here just before 8 a.m., we've got a lot of haze out there this morning thanks to the wildfires burning through the west and across Arizona. And we're at 86 degrees presently at Sky Harbor. Dew points crept up to 61, relative humidity 43%. The winds are light and the barometer pretty low this morning, 29.58 inches and steady. Temperatures around the area this morning, 74 the cool spot up on Thompson Peak, 77 at Fort McDowell. Most locations around the metro are in the 80s. Here's the upper air look, and you can see the change is coming. Look at that vigorous upper low just to the north of the state. That'll be moving south-southeast through the day today, dragging a cold front with it across Arizona. Windy conditions and much cooler temperatures. The most pleasant weather we've had around here in about 4 months or so will be coming in later tonight. Here's the watch warning map, and we've seen those dark pink shades far too often this summer. Red flag warnings, including the Phoenix area in a red flag warning for today. Very high, if not critical, fire danger continues out here. We've got winter storm warnings for sections of the Rockies all the way down into northern New Mexico. And notice the light and dark blue colors there. Frost and freeze advisories for parts of the Rockies and even sections of Minnesota. The cyan color there, freeze watches in sections of North Dakota. Convective outlook for today, a couple of little marginal risk slivers for severe storms, sections of New Mexico and West Texas, as well as Missouri. And the eastern portions of Arizona in the green. I guess there could be a few thunderstorms with this frontal passage. Most of those are expected to stay east of the valley today, as we'll outline in a moment. The tropics and the Atlantic Basin, yes, they are still active. We've got 3 areas of concern. A little wave out there southwest of Bermuda that is drifting toward the east coast of the United States, and there is a chance, a medium chance, that could become a tropical storm. Then we've got 2 tropical storms already out there, Paulette and Rene. First, Paulette. This is expected to remain a tropical storm. It's going to encounter a lot of dry air and shear, and it is also expected to gain latitude, probably not going to be a threat to the United States. Of course, we'll keep an eye on it. The trailing system is Rene. This came off the African coast about a day and a half, 2 days ago. And it is expected to become a hurricane for a time, and then it will turn to the north, gain latitude, not expected to affect the United States. And precipitation, valid through next Tuesday morning from the WPC. Not much rain here in the valley. We could see a couple hundredths of an inch. Again, I think that would be over the favored north and east valley, and the favored upslope areas, Carefree, Cave Creek, those locations. Otherwise, most of the rain concentrated in the eastern part of the state. Rain amounts generally 1/10 to 1/2 of an inch. So let's get into modeling right now, see what's going on. Here we go, the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. And there's that vigorous upper low just to the north of the state. That cold front will be dragging south through the state today. So down at the surface, partly sunny, a lot of haze around. It will be windy today. Watch out for some areas of blowing dust over the open deserts. Strongest winds, of course, across the lower Colorado River Valley and over northern Arizona, but even here in the valley, west winds 15 to 25, could see a gust over 30 at times. Highs this afternoon, upper 90s to about 102, and there is a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm, but again, I think most of the rain would be concentrated east of the valley. Tonight, the skies become clear. A dry air mass comes in. It will be windy at times, especially in the evening, and much cooler. Overnight lows, most spots are likely to get down in the 60s, maybe low 70s in the urban core. The only tricky part to the overnight low temperatures tonight would be the winds around. That might help to keep temps up just a bit. But I do suspect some areas will get down in the 60s. And then tomorrow, sunny skies, breezy conditions. There is some disagreement among the models. The GFS really keeps this upper low sitting over northern Arizona to maximize that cool air advection. It's got a high of 88 in here for tomorrow, whereas most of the guidance suggests we'll probably sneak just above 90, so we're going with a range of 88 to 91. But either way, that's going to feel very refreshing compared to where we've been. And then Thursday, again, we start out in the 60s in most spots, low 70s in the urban core, high temperatures, low to mid 90s. We'll start to warm it up as high pressure builds back in by Friday, highs getting pretty close to the century mark. And then over the weekend, seasonably hot or maybe just a couple of degrees above average, but nothing that out of bounds for mid-September. Highs 100 to 104 Saturday, 101 to 105 Sunday and Monday. The skies are clear. The air is relatively dry. The GFS does try to bring some isolated thunderstorms into eastern Arizona. Again, a little moisture coming back in, but most of the guidance does suggest that conditions will stay dry. We'll keep an eye on that. Here's a week from today. This is Tuesday the 15th. Ridging still out here in the west. Temperatures pretty close to average. And as we go out 10 days to the end of the period, this is Thursday the 17th. That still looks dry with a broad but seasonably strong ridge in control. So high temperatures at or maybe just a degree or two above average. All right, looking at precipitation off the European ensemble, not much to be found. One or two members try to bring some rain in here later today or tonight, but overall, looking pretty dry through the next couple of weeks. And temperatures off the national blend of models, it's got us at 101 today and 91 tomorrow. Look at those lows dipping down in the 60s. I love it. And then temperatures do recover some, but excessive heat doesn't look to be a problem anytime soon, and that's good news. And that'll do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click the notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notification. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. I thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe, stay cool, drink plenty of water. Even though it's cooling off, still important to stay hydrated. Watch your kids around the pool and have yourselves a fantastic Tuesday.